Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to get AWS RDP for free for 12 months. Before we do that, please make sure to subscribe so you get every new update. Thanks. What is RDP? The word RDP stands for Remote Desktop Protocol. The Remote Desktop Protocol gives users the ability to connect to a remote Windows PC or server over the internet or on a local network, giving them full access to the tools and software installed on it. Now, how can we get a free Amazon AWS RDP for 12 months? Follow me step by step and make sure you watch the video till the end so you don't get any error. First, go to Amazon AWS. If you don't have an account already, click on Create an account and fill in your information. Since I already have an account, I will log into my console. Go to the search bar and search for EC2. Click on Launch Instances. Then select Free Tier Only. As you can see here, there are a lot of options that we can choose. And all of these are totally free. I will choose Windows Server 2019. Here you get to see your machine's configuration. Now this is a very important step. We have to create a key pair and save it to our desktop because we're gonna need it later. You can name it whatever you want. Click on Download Key Pair. And then click on Launch Instances. Now we have to wait a few minutes for the status check to turn green. As you can see now, it says checks passed. It means that our RDP is ready. Here you find all your machine's information. Now click on Connect. Now we will save these details in case we need them. Here we need to upload the key pair that we downloaded earlier. Click on Download Remote Desktop File. You can run anything on it, and you have full control of your RDP. You can add any roles or features to the server. Before we end the video, make sure to join our Telegram family, we always share free stuff there. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.